Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord, and for example I'm going to copy my own server invitation link. So here's my server link. I'm going to copy this one, and now let's see how to join a server. So first of all, click on this add a server icon here, and then click on have an invite already, then click on join a server. And now here you have to put your invite link and then click on join server. This was the first way to join a server, and another is open a new tab and directly paste the joining or invite link here and hit enter. So this is how we can join a server on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.